Hello guys, welcome back to Nascent Tutelage. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are enjoying our content. If you find it useful, hit on the subscribe button and then turn on the notification. Today we are going to be looking at how we can format reference entries in APA style. Now, reference entries in APA is quite unique to other styles of referencing, and as a student working on a research project, you might want to pay attention to this, as marks are allocated for proper formatting of reference entries. So let's just get straight into the video. So you have to begin by opening your document that has your references. So this is my research work and I have my reference list right here. As you can see, it has not been properly formatted. So this is how we go about it. Once you go to the reference entry of your work or your research project, you have to select the very first reference entry on the list. Now once you select it, you need to right click, and then you would have a couple of options. Now go to the option that says paragraph and click on it. Now once you open this pane, you will realize that there are different options. You have the indentation. I wouldn't tell you what it's about. It's something for another day. But our focus is on this section that says special. So you come to the special, or the option that says special, under the indentation. Then you click on the arrow that opens 3 options. Out of these 3 options, you need to choose the one that says hanging. This is because in APA style, reference lists are supposed to be in the hanging format. But as you can see, my work is not applying any special formatting to it. So we select the hanging, then you just click on OK. Just like that, you have your reference list properly formatted. Now you have to do same for the rest, but to spare you the waste of time, you just have to select all your references on the reference list, and then you right click, go back to paragraph. Then you select the hanging option, then OK. Just like that, you have your reference list properly formatted. Now, another important thing to note is that perhaps you might have used AI to generate references, or you have your references in text citation, but you don't know, some of the details to the reference, you do not have it. So for instance, as you can see from my first reference entry, I have the authors over here with the year, and then I have the title of the study. Let's assume that you have some of your details missing. You have the names of the authors and the title of the work they did, but you don't know the year they did the work, or you don't even know the journal or the page numbers. So if you have key information in your references missing, or if you want to be sure that all the information in your references are correct, there is this website called mybabe.com. Now once you go to this website, you can just put in the title of the study and it will generate the whole reference for you. It will not just generate it, it will actually find it for you. So if you know the title of the study, once you open the website, you go to citation. Now the website gives you different options to be able to find the work or the missing details in your work. So you can just put in there the title of the book and you will have your reference generated for you, or the title of the journal, and so on and so forth. So I'm just going to do a quick example so you can see how it works. Okay. So I have this research work on research methods. So this book, it's a PDF that I use for my research. So assuming that I've used this particular document or research work, I've referenced it in my work, but I don't know how to generate a reference list for it. When you open your work or the document that you used, you need to look out for the ISBN number. Okay, most of the time it is part of the first pages of your work. So as you can see, I have mine right here. You copy that particular number. Okay, so copy the ISBN number, then you paste it into the mybib.com. Okay, so you look for the option that says new citation, then you paste it over there. But before that, you need to choose the format of referencing that you want. So because I have been using this for a while, you realize that mine is on APA 7th edition. So you have to choose. It is not default on APA 7th edition. You have to choose it. So just a quick reminder. So first choose the referencing style that you want. Then you go to new citation. Then you paste the ISBN number. Now you realize that under the new citation there are different options. You have the option that allows you to paste the link to the website where you got the research paper, so that you get the reference list for you. But since I am using a book and I know the ISBN number, I'll just paste the ISBN number and search for it. So just in a quick moment, it has found the paper for me. So I'll just click enter and then save. And just like that, you see it has generated a reference list in APA style. So I didn't have to stress myself looking at who is the first author, how do I format it. Okay, just like that, you see that research method for business students is the same thing over here. It's the same thing over here, research method for business students. Then you just copy it, you just select it, then you copy, then you paste it into your reference list. So this is a useful website that helps you to find your references for your work. So if you know the book title or the title of the research work, you can also paste it here and then it will find a reference entry for you. Same as the website, if you have a link to the website, you can paste it too. So let's say that I don't know the title of the book. Perhaps the AI generated the reference for me, but then AI was able to provide the DOI link to that research paper. This is a typical example of a DOI link. Okay, so sometimes the AI will provide links to the source where they got the reference from. You just copy that DOI link, then you paste it as well into the mybib.com. It will find the research paper for you. Okay, but as you can see, it is saying that it's not a credible source, but it has still been able to find it for me. Okay, so that's how you go about this. So thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.